Hi guys, it's Roo here from Prepared Camping, and today I'm looking at this Lixada titanium camp cook set that my wife got me for Christmas. Because it was a gift, I don't know exactly how much it cost, but you can find these on Amazon and eBay quite widely for anywhere between £30 to £45. Titanium cookware like this is good, but it's also very expensive. That lightweight comes at a premium. Nice little simple fold over D-ring here on top on the lid. We'll just put this to one side for a minute and talk about that in a moment. It's a two-pot system that nests inside each other nice and snugly. Both have these fold-out butterfly handles, which is quite nice. And these fixing points here for the bail system to use it over a campfire. The smaller pot can sit on top of the larger one, so you can cook two things at the same time, as the lid will fit snugly on both. And you can have all of them in alignment on the bail system over a campfire, just like that. With the big pot, the smaller pot on top of that, and the lid on top of that, all hanging nicely. The whole kit, including the carry bag and the bail, weighs 227 grams or 8 ounces. So here are all the relevant dimensions, and obviously as ever I'll have links to this in the description down below, so please check it out. Now this is actually a similar sort of size as this canteen cup. I mean, so similar in fact. The lid even works on it, which is quite cool. Pretty snug fit as well. Can even pick it up with it. So you could combine the two quite easily. If you wanted to save weight, just get one of these cheap plastic ones. So it comes with a cover and a plastic water bottle that nests inside there. Nice and snug. No rattle, it's not even going to fall out, look. The pouch has this little pocket that you'd have decontamination tabs in normally. But that's where you could put the hanging system for the pots. Now we can still use this bag, because obviously if you're going to use this over a campfire, it's going to get a bit sooty and nasty. Simply push that inside there. Lift the bag out of the way. Water bottle in. The lid will just slide in behind. Now you've got all in one. Can attach this to your pack, belt, whatever. Really nice and lightweight as well. It's 460 grams. Or 16¼ ounces. This little modification saves you quite a bit of money. It's at least half the price of one with a titanium bottle. So I think it's really worth doing. Anyway, thanks for watching guys. Till next time, take care.